We spend most of our days talking to entrepreneurs, talking to executives, talking to investors within the technology and media sectors. They're all smart people. We benefit from the confluence of all of their perspectives, and we trust and build relationships with a great deal of them to essentially see if we can provide deals, opportunities, business relationships, customer relationships that benefit their own work. And we wanted to get them all here today, 375 tech investors, entrepreneurs, to talk about the unusual suspects. So approaches within their own organizations to drive innovation, or at least different kinds of thinking, and ways in which they can grow their organizations as a steward in terms of bringing in companies to be acquired or companies to look at minority investments or partnerships that could be formed to open up new markets. And so today's content is about getting everybody in the room together to think about ideas that could be sought after.
So tell us about Progress Partners, what you guys do, the sectors you're involved with, the buy side, the sell side, and sectors that are exciting to you.
So we are an advisory firm, investment banking advisory services firm, founded in 2002, 16 people, split between New York and Boston, Massachusetts. And we service the technology and media industries, specifically advertising, media marketing technologies, enterprise through SMB solutions. And in media, we look at digital, over the top, through to linear television, broadcast and cable. And we're most often serving entrepreneurs looking to either attract capital to their business or looking to sell their business to a strategic or a financial buyer. And then we also represent large technology media companies in their efforts to find and acquire or partner with smaller businesses that serve their interests. So it's both sell-side advisory and buy-side advisory. And then we also make direct investments through our venture fund, Progress Ventures, into early-stage companies, typically data and media technology businesses that we think are particularly different and have an advantage, and we think we can help them with a little bit of hustle. And that's our daily work.
Cool. And tell us about some of the sectors that are hot now, that where you're finding deal flow, where you're finding innovation, and where deals are happening.
So in television in particular, it's an industry of a lot of large incumbents, both cable, broadcast, satellite. They're all thinking about the shifting infrastructure and delivery demands. As you have more data coming into the ecosystem, there is opportunities to get more specific, more customized with advertising in terms of addressability. That's enabled by the set-top box going away, the IP connected television coming into the home, enabling more of a web-like experience on TV. So in terms of data, infrastructure, delivery, monetization in TV as it collides with digital in terms of over-the-top distribution and then digital video and the online digital advertising ecosystem. We are seeing a lot of clients that are interested to essentially buy into that marketplace or invest into that marketplace because there's a tectonic shift going on right now in terms of the opportunity to have access or own part of the infrastructure, part of the workflow. Companies that are able to deliver software solutions or data solutions that are integrated in the de facto workflow can survive a long time and are successful and are essentially invited to the next round if you think about the cycle of the technology industry.